the SANYO Massage Lounger, giving you the pure pleasure of a first-class massage. First class means the best body fit and feel for a rejuvenating deep massage. The lounger puts you in the optimal position for perfect relaxation, creating the feeling of zero gravity. The sensation of zero gravity is a new style of massage brought to you by SANYO. Experience a true first-class massage from the revolutionary new SANYO DR7700 Massage Lounger. This newly developed reclining mechanism ensures deeper relaxation. By appropriately distributing your body weight, the most neutral reclined position gives you a sensation of zero gravity and one of absolute comfort. For zero gravity position 1, press the on button and the 0G button just once. The lounger reclines your entire body to the most natural and comfortable position. This includes your legs, which automatically recline to an optimum 30-degree angle, quite simply the ideal position for perfect relaxation. A single button puts you in the perfect relaxed position, the zero gravity position, a revolutionary SANYO feature ensuring you the ideal position for a full body massage. The zero gravity position stabilizes the lower back for the best possible physical fit. So when the rollers begin to work, your body remains comfortable and stable. In addition, the sliding leg section freely adjusts for different leg lengths. To move from zero gravity position 1 to position 2, a simple press of this button shifts your body into the best position to promote good leg circulation. This comfort air course stimulates blood circulation in both the legs and feet. The zero gravity position is a feature unique to SANYO and the new DR7700. Our enhanced stiffness sensor tailors a massage specifically suited for your exact massage needs. Select the whole body sensor automatic course, put your fingers on the ergonomic stiffness sensor pad, and this smooth, simple, relaxing process begins. The sensor detects perspiration and changes in pulse when the massage heads meet your body. This highly advanced biological response technology was adapted to body massage technology. The areas of body stiffness are displayed on the monitor. Whether you're relaxed or tense, the degree of muscle stiffness is displayed in real time. The new stiffness sensor automatically adjusts the massage program to your body's specific needs and current condition. The new shoulder squeeze kneading feature grips and soothes your shoulder muscles, gently massaging away tension. The shoulder massage is an essential skill for a massage lounger, another area where SANYO technology excels. The jointed massage head reaches out to the shoulders and neck area to firmly grasp and knead. It extends close to 16 centimeters, giving you a deeply relaxing shoulder massage. Emulating the feel of an actual hand massage, the thumb-like extending jointed massage head firmly grips to relax a wide area of stiffness. From above the shoulders, the massager replicates the technique of a professional masseur. From the soles of your feet to your heel and calf, ankle grip massage gives you a full, deep massage of your entire lower leg. A sophisticated airbag extends around the ankle and heel, similar to having your leg held in the palms of a professional masseur, massaging away fatigue from your ankle to your heel. Your feet rest upon 3 independent sole airbags. The addition of extending massage heads provides gentle thumb-like shiatsu pressure for a pleasant sole massage. Alternating airbags inflate to provide undulating sole shiatsu massage. Sole shiatsu is thought to offer many additional health benefits. A A heater soothes the soles of your feet with a heated sole massage, providing comfortable, penetrating warmth. Lay back and enjoy the sensation of zero-gravity comfort, courtesy of SANYO. The unadulterated pleasure of a first-class massage experience. Brought to you by the SANYO DR7700 Massage Lounger.